Steve Bolt, would you believe it? Would you believe it? Going out with a bang. This ground has been a symbol of a top-class football club, a club that prides itself on doing things the